AS-SUNNAT Imams and Iman 7-2, the beliefs of the Muslims who are called AL-SUNNAH wal JAMA'AH, those who are on the path of the Prophet and his companions, and FIRQA AL-NAJIYA, those who have attained salvation, are as we have written the BOVE. The Muslims who saw the ASHAB and were inspired by them are called TABI'IN. The ASHAB-I GÜZIN and TABI'IN are called SALAF-I SALIHIN. These are the pioneers of the AL-SUNNAH. They duly followed the path of our Prophet and spread Islam everywhere. They strengthened the unity and community of Islam. 7-3 All. AS-SUNNAH has great scholars and Imams who are authorized in matters related to belief and faith. EACH. One of them walked in the path of the companions and TABI'IN, whom we call SALAF-I SALIHIN. They tried to defend the truth against the different views and philosophical theories that emerged in the Islamic world. One of these great MUJAHID scholars was Imam MATURID, and the other was Imam Ali SH, letters RI 7-4. Imam Abu Mansur Muhammad Maturid was born in the year 280 of HIJRAH and died in Samarkand in the year 333. His hometown of Maturid is one of the districts of Bukhara. He was a member of the HANAFI madhab and wrote a very valuable tafsir and other works. He is our imam in faith, belief. The vast majority of Muslims in the Hanafi madhab adhere to this Abu Mansur Maturidi in faith and belief. 7-5 Imam Abu al-Hazan al-Azhari was born in Basra in the year 260 AH and died in Baghdad in the year 324 AH. His great-grandfather was Abu Musa al-Ash'ari. One of the ASHAB-I GÜZIN, Abu al-Hazan al-Ash'ari was a follower of the Shafi'i sect. He has many valuable works. Almost all of the Malikis and Shafi'is, some of the Hanafis, and some prominent Muslims of the Hanbal sect follow Abu al-Hazan al-Ash'ari in matters of faith. 76. There is nitrogen monoxide fundamental difference between Imam Maturid and Imam Ash'ari are key. Both of them have followed the way of the Ashab and TABI'IN. Both are on the truth, but they have different views on some secondary issues. The majority of Muslims today adhere to either Imam Maturid or Imam al-Ash'ari's arc in their faith. May Allah Almighty be pleased with them all, amen. The end is for the owners of piety. Al-QASAS, 83.